had in the first start. I'm not sure he's got away to quite the same effect, so we'll have to wait and see how that goes. Michael Whittaker in the Rover, a brilliant start, Michael Whittaker Jr. that is, who has had a great weekend here at Goodwood already. So he's up into second place with the blue. In second place in the Rover. He won the Kent Miles with Andrew Jordan earlier today, and then you can also see that coming up through the order now, Fred Shepherd is going extremely well, number 17 in the Mustang.
Was really badly damaged, but look in the background, Ben. Oh, and a slight lock-up. We've got more going on, and that is Fred Shepherd, who is storming. An excellent first sector from Fred. He's putting Whittaker Jr. under huge amounts of pressure.
He certainly is, and he should have a bit more straight lines. At the opportunity he takes here, yeah, Fred Shepherd's going to draw alongside the Rover, and the Ford Mustang is going to take that spot, is it or no?
Especially down this long pit straight, and there we go, there's your proof. Fred pulls to the right-hand side, left-hand side as you look at it, and sails on through 128.4. That is 1 second quicker than Tetley in the Chevrolet, who's out in front, lights full beam.
As it was last year. It's been recently repaired and all put back together and beautifully restored. Here we go, battle for the lead. This is a real chance for Fred Shepherd, but he's on the outside again, and that's always tricky to go around the outside. He backs off.
Yeah, that's into Woodcote Corner now. The next opportunity will be down into the chicane. Thinks better of it. Going to try and use the grunt of the Ford Mustang down the straight and gets the lead. The Ford Mustang at the moment holds it slightly tighter. Does he run out wide? No, he doesn't. So great defensive driving from Tetley.
So far so good, but Fred Shepherd's not going to give it up. The young man who has been racing here at Goodwood for several years now and delivering some fantastic results in all. That intimidating image of having a Ford Mustang all over the rear of your car, especially when Fred Shepherd is behind it.